Mahirap talaga itong laban na to. Pero nag-start pa lang po tayo. And unfortunately, today will be the last hearing for this issue. And we hope that the 20th Congress will continue the fight. And even our mga resource persons will be cooperating with this fight. Kahit ako nung pinapanood ko yung yung deep fake kay Mr. Ramon Ang, kanina when I was reviewing it, akala ko totoo. So, nakakagulat lamang na 0.01% lamang ang nakakapag-analyze kung ano ang tama at mali. And the majority of our Filipino people believes that yung kanila nakikita ay hindi totoo.